07474 684 953.
Hi guys, it's Clint Sharp here of Sharp Solutions Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. Today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how we can extract soil deposits within inside of the carpet with the machines that we use. First of all, we're going to pre-spray the carpet with a solution that we've mixed together to get the best results. As you can see, I'm giving a light mist of the pre-spray all in the affected areas. This is ground in soil and it's also highlighting pen as well, so we should get some really good results from this.
We've speeded this area up just to give you the visual effects of the after clean. As you can see, our machines extract the deepest soil in. On this particular bedroom carpet, we did the walk round with the customer just to inspect all the areas that needed spot treating and deep cleaning. One of our main areas is restretching, readaptations and refits. From start to finish, we always leave multiple drying pods on the carpet to get the carpet as dry as possible before leaving the customer's home. We also only use the best solutions that are pet friendly and child friendly to get the best results. We always pre-vacuum every carpet and every piece of furniture. Agitating is one of the most important parts of carpet cleaning, to work the solution deep within the pile to release all of the soiling left behind from everyday use. We also aim to please every single customer by using a 6-stage deep cleaning process. Our reviews are among some of the best in the industry. We pride ourselves on this. Please call us today on 07474 684 953 or visit our website http://sharpcleaningsolutions.co.uk.